You like that Fortnite? Look at this one. Minecraft, $119. Woo! So we're getting a Christmas tree. We got some, and y'all know I had to get some little ashtrays for my business while they had them. And then, I don't know, we probably gonna change the bulbs on here. Which, yes. What is that? Ooh, we should get this. Y'all remember this?
No, I don't.
Pictionary. Not you, you too young.
I want to see what this is. Okay, yeah, it's the same thing.
That's the one. Black and white one. I mean,
You can do that. That's cute.
what? Oh, look at that. All black is dope.
I didn't get it.
These are pretty.
It is 200 days.
It's not no 200 days. He's trying hush. These are pretty. Let me be great. Oh, you want to be Santa?
Santa, Santa, Santa.
This is pretty.
Well.
That's cute.
Okay. 500 days later.
That's $18.
600 days.
We don't even have a Santa. Right here. Those are ugly too.
Yeah.
What we gonna put on top of the tree? We need something on top. Yeah, I love my kids. Look, that say to mom. That's a big ass box. It better be my Cricket 3. If not, I'm knocking all this shit over.